Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a section of a track on GarageBand. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is right click on the track at the point that you want to delete and select where it says split at playhead. So wherever the player is at, go ahead and select split at playhead or the Command and T key. And then right click on the section of track you want to delete and then select delete. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.